Zhongshan Sinree Electric Appliance was established in 2018 and covers an area of 12,000 square meters. It's dedicated to R&D of various types of mid to high-end pizza ovens and baking ovens. We have R&D team of more than 10 people and a professional laboratory with an average industry experience of 10 years and abundant industry knowledge. Sinree is best focusing on ODM customization and is committed to creating ultimate products in order to manufacture perfect products for customers. This cannot be achieved without Sinree's complete production line. We have a complete development and manufacturing line, ranging from design and research, hardware processing, laser welding, and polishing to finished products, which ensures that products have strong quality and cost advantages in the industry. Sinree strictly complies with European environmental regulations and uses environmentally friendly packaging materials aiming to build a green planet. In order to deliver the goods to customers in perfect condition as quickly as possible, we have chosen the highest quality logistics service, ensuring you have the best experience. Product quality is the lifeblood of any company, and this holds true for Sinree too. We have a first-class supply chain and a 10,000 square meter warehouse. Our cooperative sales partners are spread across the globe with superior product quality and top-notch service. Sinree will be an internationally recognized leader in the industry.